Welcome to the Farmhouse Cape at the Lady of the Lakes Estates.
Brand new, fully finished, and all yours from day one.
2,300 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space right here in Laconia, New Hampshire. 3 bedrooms and a bonus room and a first floor master suite because nobody wants to have to think about stairs forever.
So the moment you step foot in this house, this beautiful great room stops you in your tracks. Soaring ceilings, beautiful stonework, a gorgeous fireplace, hardwood floors throughout, and tons of natural light. As we make our way to our kitchen,
Stainless steel appliances, propane stove, and gorgeous quartzite countertops.
and as we come to the top of the stairs, we enter this beautiful flex space. Whether you need additional office space, some leisure activity room, or just some spare space to store your stuff, this is a fully customizable area that lets you make this house feel like home.
This house is full of surprises. Take a look at this oversized second floor bedroom space, including a large closet area. This is what new construction in the Lakes region is all about.